Hi everyone, this is Rajendra Kumar. I am going to tell you 5 proven techniques to stay focused and kill your distraction. If you are interested, definitely you need to watch at the end. Definitely you will get a lot of good points that will help you to improve your distractions, to overcome your distraction. So there are 5 techniques you need to implement in your life. If you implement, definitely you will get a very good result. So first one is clarity of your end goal. That is very important. If you have your goal, you need to identify and get a clear cut idea about your goals, how you can fulfill and achieve your dream. You need to identify. Suppose there are 5 words and you are, यदि 5 पक्षी आकाश में उड़ रहे हैं और आपको का शिकार करना है और आप एक पत्थर से कितने पक्षियों का शिकार कर सकते हैं? एक ही का, मैक्सिमम एक, क्योंकि एक बार आप पत्थर को थ्रो करके एक ही को मार सकते हैं। आपको समझना है इसी तरीके से आवर माइंड इज वर्क. If you focus one thing and achieve them, definitely you will get your end result. So focus on your one goal and achieve, then start second. Second one is where you focus. कहाँ आप फोकस करते हैं? You need to identify. Suppose you have a 5 goals. आपके पास 5 goals हैं. You need to identify if you can fulfill your dream, your goals within few days. Make a plan. Plan will help you achieve your goals. If you focus right thing and right time, definitely you will get a better and better result in your life. That is so much true. And third one is shield yourself from distractions. Many people, they are distracted. Why? So many social media platforms are there, like Facebook notification, WhatsApp notification. Nowadays so many emails notifications are coming in your way. You need to identify. If you identify your distractions, avoid it. Like यदि आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं तो आपको फ्लाई मोड पे रखना चाहिए. यू नीड टू टेक योर मोबाइल फ़ोन ऑन फ्लाई मोड. डेफिनेटली ज़्यादातर ये होगा किसी का कॉल ही आ जाएगा, 2 घंटे के बाद चेक कर लेना आफ्टर योर कंप्लीट स्टडी. आई डू इट, मैं करता हूँ. आई लर्न बिफोर 1 month. You do, if you do it, definitely that is improve your productivity. As well as take rest. ब्रेक लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है. टेक अ ब्रेक ड्यूरिंग योर वर्क. यदि आप कोई इम्पोर्टेंट काम कर रहे हैं तो आपको रेस्ट लेना चाहिए. यदि आप रेस्ट लेंगे तो आपका जो माइंड है वो प्रॉपर तरीके से वर्क करेगा. योर माइंड विल वर्क in a proper manner and that will give you a right good result. And fifth one is access maximum willpower. Suppose you have a lot of dreams, you have a lot of goals. If you are going to achieve your goals, you will face lot of challenges, lot of difficulty. If you have a willpower, if you have a burning desire, definitely you will achieve your goals. Otherwise you will not going to achieve, because only one thing is depends how you are strong स्टे देयर। योर वाई शुड बी क्लियर, आपका वाई क्लियर होना चाहिए, आप उस चीज़ को क्यों करना चाहते हैं। यदि आप गुड इंजीनियर बनना चाहते हैं, इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट एडमिशन इन एनी प्रेस्टिजियस कॉलेज लाइक IIT मुंबई, IIT दिल्ली, आपको समझना है क्यों आप चाहते हैं। यदि आप कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना चाहते हैं तो आपको समझना है, यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई इफ़ यू हैव अ गोल, achieve them. Definitely your willpower is play very important role. At the end of this video I want to say, please implement in your life. If you implement all the techniques, definitely you will get a lot of results in your life. Thank you. Go self-made.